안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean dumplings, Mandu. Dumpling is a very common dish in Asian cuisine. It's very useful food. Dumplings can be boiled in water or steamed or pan-fried. Especially in Korea, we make mandu soup, dumpling soup, and I love to put dumplings in ramyeon. It's so delicious. Dumpling recipe is various and it depends on the person. In Korea, pork mandu and kimchi mandu are very famous. I'm gonna show you my favorite combination today. You can start by making dumpling wrappers, but you can buy it at a grocery store or Asian market very easily. So let's do it in an easy way. Okay, then let's set the table. First, let's marinate the pork. In a bowl, season the pork with the soy sauce, salt, minced garlic, and ground black pepper. Mix well and let it sit for 20 minutes. Next, boil the glass noodles for 6 minutes in boiling water. Boiling time will differ depending on the noodles, so follow the direction on the back side of the package. After that, drain the water and let them cool. And blanch the mung beans broth in boiling water with a pinch of salt. After 3 minutes, rinse in cold water and squeeze out excess water. After that, wrap the tofu in cheesecloths or paper towels. Squeeze out as much as liquid as possible. Okay, then step 1 is over. Let's chop the ingredients. Chop the mung beans broth in small pieces. And mince the chive finely. Cut the glass noodles in small pieces as well. It's much easier when you use scissors than a knife. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. And season with the sesame oil, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix well. Okay, then filling is ready. Place the wrapper on your palm and put a generous tablespoon of filling on the center of the wrapper. And dab some water around the edge of the wrapper with your finger. It acts like a glue. Fold it into a half moon shape and seal the edge, eliminating the air inside. Then dab the water on the edge again and make both sides stick like this. You can shape the dumplings in various ways. This shape is one of the most common shapes of Korean dumplings. Okay, my dumplings are ready. It's so cute. In this time, I'm gonna steam the dumplings. So put the wet cloth on the steamer and place the dumplings, making enough space for each other not to stick together. When the water boils, put the steamer on the pot and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. If your wrapper is thin, it will be torn easily, so adjust the time according to the thickness of the wrappers. During the time, let's make a dipping sauce. In a small bowl, put soy sauce, vinegar, red pepper powder, and water. Mix well. If the dumpling doesn't fall off from the clothes well, put the cold water on the bottom lightly. Move them to the plate and serve with dipping sauce. Wow, I'm so excited. Okay, let me taste. It's very moist and juicy inside, and the texture from all ingredients are pretty funny. Crispy, soft, and a little bit chewy texture from the glass noodles. So yummy. And the flavor is really good. Especially the chive gives fresh flavor, and it really goes well with pork. And I'm gonna tell you how to keep leftover dumplings. Blanch the dumplings 1 minute and move them to cold water. After that, drain the water well and put them into Ziploc one by one. And keep them into the freezer. Today I made mandu. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.